Welcome to the Hillbilly Hoarder. I just wanted to show you what I usually do after a walk through the local flea market on Sunday mornings. I come golfing. I just wanted to show you some of my equipment. I use that old Wilson vintage golf bag back in the late 50s, early 60s. It's a Wilson Indestructo. Have the caution tape on my golf cart. I have a rubber chicken, a rubber ducky keychain, a golf bag keychain. This is some of the stuff that my friends give me. A couple dog collars off the grouse dogs I used to have. They give me some pleasure. I want to think pleasant thoughts when you're out here. I have a Mr. Potato Head head cover for my putter. I made that out of a toy, and it kind of resembles one of our local golfers. Of course, he never smiles. And I have a birdie bell. Of course, we wore it clear out. It doesn't even work anymore. Then I have a crock that belonged to one of my granddaughters, and it's works nice for putting a golf ball in. A lot of neat stuff. Then I have this stock monkey golf towel that the web-toed wonder made for me. She likes to sew. She did a great job with that. Well, we had a storm come through our golf course earlier this week, and there's 106 trees completely down or damaged. And I'll try to walk through here to show you some pictures of the damage. And I hope you enjoy the video. There's a total of 106 trees completely down or damaged on our golf course from the bad storm that came through earlier this week. I just wanted to show you some of the damage. Well, we made it back to the parking lot. I'm always glad to see that old Suburban after walking a golf course. It's easy to spot with the Pizza Hut delivery sign up on the roof there. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this little video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you have a nice day.